Hello parents, I am Muskan Harjai, an early childhood educator. Do you know that brain is the only organ that is not fully developed when a child is born, and 90% of their brain development takes place in the first 5 years. So now you know how crucial are the first 5 years of the child. But the question is, what can we do in the first year of the child when the baby is still learning to sit, eat, walk and trying to understand their surroundings? The answer is, we can show them the brain stimulation flashcards. When a child is born, he is exploring the world around, and whatever we tell the child, he can actually understand it. Child might not be able to tell you this, but whenever a child comes across a new things, he is actually unlocking his brain. So, for better brain stimulation and visual stimulation of the child, Edumaa has come up with the flashcards for the age of 0 to 6 months of children. There are 6 types of flashcards in this box, and they are colored and black and white too. We have used black and white high contrast colored cards because child cannot see colors till the age of 3 months. Now let's see what will you find in this box. So the first thing that you will find is the user guide. This user guide will actually tell you how to use these cards. For your better understanding, we have also come up with the videos that will explain the usage of the cards in detail. The first type of cards are the basic shape cards. There are 8 basic shape cards in this box. Then comes the association and the logic building cards. These cards have a connection between them, which you will explore in this course, and there are total 12 logic building cards and association cards in this box. Then comes the mixed cards. There are 7 types of mixed cards in this box. After this comes the special color cards. Here comes the twist. These are called as the special color cards because the colors and the position of the colors is planned according to the working of the brain. Then comes the mixed colored cards. There are 8 mixed colored cards in this box. Then there are color difference cards, and finally we have 2 illusion cards in this box. These illusion cards can do wonders for your child when it comes to the brain stimulation as well as the visual stimulation. There are not only images in the front of these cards, they also have the description like name of the card, what type of card it is and how to use these cards. So all of the description you will find at the back of the card for your better understanding. Now we know what type of cards are there in this box, but how can these flashcards can help your child? These flashcards will help your child in stimulating cognitive development, second, improving child's brain capacity, and third, making learning easy for them. So to make your child's future bright and learning easy for them, you should start showing these cards to your child. Thank you.